Hi and hello, welcome to a brand new episode of Subham Speaks. This is an unplanned video. I'm making this video just to assure you that the technical error which you have seen in the thumbnail, this technical error is from the Makaut end only. You don't have to worry about this. As soon as the problem gets fixed, your exams will start, and you don't have to worry about the time factor as well, because no time will be deducted, because this is a technical issue and everything will be fixed from the Makaut end. The same problem happened with the fourth year students also. In the first half, which started from 9 a.m. onwards, the same thing happened, and after a certain point of time the problem was fixed, and then the exam resumed again and no time was deducted. Now the same thing is going on with the second year students as well, and we really understand the panic that you are actually panic stricken right now. Guardian students and a lot of people, they are actually making phone calls, they are WhatsApping us as well, asking that what has happened actually. I just want to assure you all that no need to panic at all, because this is the first time Makaut is conducting this kind of an exam. So there are some technical issues which will be fixed very soon, and as soon as it gets fixed, your exam will resume. I guess the exam has already resumed, and students are being able to appear in this exam. So don't get panic stricken at all, because this is the first time, as I just mentioned now, this is the first time Makaut is conducting an exam like this. So if there is any problem, that will be taken care of by the Makaut authority, and you don't have to worry at all. Just concentrate and please be patient. Please don't panic. That's all. That's message from Subham Speaks, and best wishes for all the upcoming exams. Thank you all.